Okay, we're back for part 3 now of looking at Twitter for networking and job searching. Alright, so once you've created a profile, maybe you've read some blogs and have figured out a few people to follow, how do you continue then to build the people that you're following um, as professionals within your field? You could use, and there are a number of different options, but I'm just going to look at a couple here. Search.twitter.com would be one way that you could do a search. You could type in psychology as an example. Maybe that's your major. That was one of my majors in college. And just see what people have said about psychology. You can kind of browse through and see what people are saying use with that particular word. Just see if there's anybody saying anything interesting about it. You could use the hashtags or a number sign before the word and see if that's a topic. You can see that there are some people who have listed that. This is kind of interesting. If you notice that Maria Page, and I don't know who Maria Page is, but she seems to post a number of tweets with hashtag psychology. So perhaps she's in. Oh, okay, if you look here at her bio, it says that she's interested in neuroscience and psychology. So she might be somebody to follow if you were um, a psychology major or somebody interested in the field of psychology. So the search function on Twitter is one to check out. It's probably not the best, or certainly not the only search option, but I think it's a good place to start just to see who is posting things on any given topic. They also give you some trends if that's something that's interesting to you, just to see kind of some popular topics that are being tweeted about at the moment. I think for me, the key to success on Twitter is really just reading as much as you can about your industry and beginning to make connections with some of the people who are in your field and perhaps within your industry, looking for those people. People that follow you, maybe ones that you decide that you want to follow as well. Initially, you may start off with just a handful of people that you're following and then start tweeting about things within your field. Um, Maybe it's an article that you're reading for class. Maybe it's a paper that you're writing. Start tweeting about it, sharing those things with others, and others will slowly start to find you. Become part of the conversation. If somebody says something that you're following, or that you encounter during doing one of your searches, comment on it or retweet it and share it with some of the people that are following you. That's really part of, or how you become part of those conversations, and really that's how networking works. You share information with professional colleagues, and they share information with you. It's not all about just saying, hey, do you have a job for me? Although that's certainly something that you can let people know, that you are looking for employment. And that brings me to something I wanted to show to you. Job Angels is someone that you could start following. You can see that they are a movement to help people find one person find a job, basically. And what they do is that if you let Job Angels know that you're looking for a position, they tweet that out to all the people that are following them. And they have just, I think this has only been in the last 2 weeks, have developed 1,265 followers already. So when Job Angels tells, the world that somebody is looking for a position in New York City or in Boston, all of these people know about it. So that would definitely be, if you're looking for employment, that would be one resource that I would encourage you to check into. So thank you for joining me. I will continue to add more in the future, but that's it for now. Thank you.